Hearing screenings are painless, simple, and contains 4 basic steps. The first step is to discuss your hearing loss and the different types of environments you may have trouble hearing in. Next, we examine the ears using an otoscope. Then you take a pure tone hearing test, in which you will be seated in a soundproof booth with a pair of headphones that are connected to an audiometer. You'll be asked to push a button when you hear a specific tone, and the audiometer will emit a variety of frequencies to determine your hearing threshold and where you have experienced hearing loss. Finally, you will undergo speech testing. You will be asked to listen to a series of words and then will be asked to repeat them. After your test, the specialist will review your results with you the same day. It is important to have your hearing tested yearly. Early detection of hearing loss can prevent further damage and make it easier to deal with. The longer you go without hearing certain sounds, the harder it is for our brain to comprehend them again. At Hear Again, there is no cost to you to have an annual hearing test. Call or come and see us today.
Hear again so you can understand again.